Hi, Foodie Chef Pete is here. Today, shepherd's pie is on the menu. Now this is how I do it. Foodie Chef Pete is here. Today, shepherd's pie is on the menu. Now this is how I do it. Traditionally, this was done with lamb. You can use ground beef, ground turkey, ground lamb, whatever you like, right? Okay, so I'm using ground turkey today, and in the pan I've got our ground turkey and our onion, and it is going together very nicely. It is browning and sweating, and this is the pan I'm going to use today to put it in the oven. And what you need to do for this is brown your meat, get your onion in there, get your veggies ready, get your sauce ready, and then we put it all together and pop it in the oven at 375 till it bubbles all around the edge. It's really that simple. And you can feed a good-sized family with a delicious meal of your meat and a little onion. Today I'm using a mixed veggie, okay? You can use, peas and carrots, you could use mixed vegetables, use whatever your family likes, just corn perhaps. And then for the sauce, I've got some cream of mushroom soup and mushroom soup. And what I'm going to do is make this sauce, and this is what's going to go into our beautiful browning meat and onions and veggies. And this is what we're going to bake it in the oven to get it all nice and hot. And on the top of all of this, I've made some mashed potatoes already, and I have some mashed potatoes, okay? You can peel your potatoes, you could use instant potatoes, whatever you like. Whatever you feel you like to do to make this easiest on you and your family happy with the taste. Okay.
And this is called a cottage pie?
Cottage pie, shepherd's pie.
English pie?
English pie, all different things. Correct, Anthony. Okay, so here we go. We have this ready to go, this ready to go. Now we're going to get the rest of that in there, and I'm going to keep this back here just in case. All right, and then we're going to come over here, and when we come back, I'm going to show you how to put this all together and pop it in your oven. And then we'll show you what it tastes like later when we get to eat it. This is Pete, out.